First of all, good evening everybody. It's a very interesting topic that we are taking, and I think it is much discussed also. Everybody is talking about AI, social media, every second reel is about AI. What's happening? Yesterday I was reading the headlines, the Mark Zuckerberg hires somebody, an AR professional for 2,000 crores and something like that. So AI has become like the new thing in the town which everybody is discussing about. Right. So, and hence the panel about AI. So, I want to ask just one question, and I want you to just raise your hands. How many of you sitting in this hall do not belong to any metropolitan city, or your schools are not in the metropolitan city? Very few. Very few. Clearly very few. Hands were up. So most of the people, this is clear that most of the people sitting in this room have their schools in metropolitan, right? And that's the reason why that I wanted to discuss when we were talking about AI. That's when I wanted to discuss about the technology imperative, that inequality that we have right now. So as per the stats, abhi bhi 65% of our population in India is rural India. So हम लोग यहाँ पर बैठे हुए लोग और जो यहाँ पर आपने हाथ खड़े हुए भी देखे, that clearly shows that majority of the nation is not actually a part of this discussion also, right? So इसलिए ये हम बैठ के यहाँ डिसाइड नहीं कर सकते कि मेट्रोपॉलिटन्स में बैठ के कि क्लासरूम तक कैसे जाएं. I think as educators, as a group of educators, we really need to be a nation builder. So we have to look at a larger level. We have to zoom out and see that how actually AI or any technology can penetrate into the nation, and how we can actually help the majority of the children that are going in schools in India. So अभी तक कितने साल हो गए स्मार्ट क्लासेस आए हुए हैं? अभी तक अगर हम डेटा के बेसिस में बात करें, सिर्फ 21% ऑफ स्कूल्स हैव स्मार्ट बोर्ड्स. तो AI तो आप भूल ही जाइए. AI का पेनिट्रेशन कब होगा इंडिया में? That is a far-fetched dream, right? So what we really need to see is how to first, AI is a technology, so how to first get the technology into most of the schools of India, which can actually enable to provide that AI sort of a thought process in the children, or they can actually study about AI, they can learn problem solving and all of those things. And I think that could be done. One of the major things is, what I feel that could be done is through a lot of collaborative learning from the schools, right? We have Sarvodaya schools also, groups also. Why don't we go and help the other schools out? Why don't we have the collaboration of schools and universities? The children who are studying in the universities, why can't they have a summer internship sort of a thing in a village or in a B town, not even a village, let's say B town, where they go and teach technology to these schools, which actually solves the core problem. That first technology needs to go, and then we talk about AI, right? So according to me, to actually implement AI, and how AI will, obviously AI is changing our life very dramatically and very, very fast. So it is changing fast. So imagine अगर metropolitan में हम लोग तो change हो गए, but what about the majority? They will not change, right? So I think there's a huge gap in terms of how we are sitting here and thinking, and what actually the gap on the ground level is.